Most of the Django courses fail because they rush through Python. If you have tried learning Django and hit the wall, if classes, decorators, functions, object relational mapper sound magic, then this course is the solution. Hi there, my name is Hussein and I'll be your instructor in this course. You don't need to know any Python as I'll build you from scratch and teach you everything you need to know to start programming in Python and building web application using Django. We'll be taking a completely different path. First, we'll master Python, not just the basics, but we'll be building an unshakable foundation. Every data structure, every key value pair, function, object relational mapper, classes, OOP will be explained in detail. No copy paste, no shortcut, but real understanding.
Then we apply it all to Django. With your Python fundamentals solid, building a full-stack web application becomes a logical, empowering next step, not a confusing leap. You'll build a professional vehicle dealership platform from the ground up. You'll integrate a bootstrap template, design database models with Django's ORM, create dynamic pages, implement user authentication and search features, and finally deploy your application live to the web. This course is for you if you're a beginner or self-taught programmer who values deep understanding over quick hacks. It is not a quick Django crash course. We spend the time needed on Python first. This is the most thorough, comprehensive path from Python beginner to confident Django developer. You'll finish with a portfolio-ready project you truly understand and can explain. So stop feeling stuck. Start building with confidence. Enroll today.